See, we have Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, right? He is father of modern India. So what it is written on this? Democracy is not merely a form of government. It is primarily a made of associated living. Okay, and we have Buddha statue. See, so our country, it is our country. So it is based on the constitution. It is running in our country according to the constitution. Every system is working, isn't it? Every system is working. Then what right this Amit Shah is having to kill Naxals? Might be when they have done wrong, just arrest them and keep in jail. And you are not a king to kill, to order others, to order police to kill them. You give order to them to arrest when they are Maoist. Then you arrest them, but don't kill. Killing is a crime, right? So you have become something because of constitution, isn't it? Amit Shah, you have become, you are on the based on constitution only. You are sitting on a seat. So what you get? What you achieve? Do you get Nobel Peace Prize? If you kill them, if you kill Naxals, you get Nobel Peace Prize. Then why are you killing them? Naxals, when they have done wrong, see, they are young age, small age, they don't know nothing. In that age is not the right age to take decision. But someone have misguided them. Someone have misguided Naxals, small age boys. They have entered into the Naxalism and they are losing their lives. You are killing them. You don't have right to give order to the police to kill them. Remember this.